Plastic pollution is a major issue in our world today. It is essential that we strive to take better care of our planet. I am very passionate about plastic pollution. More than 8 million tons of plastic is dumped into our oceans every year. By taking small steps towards living plastic-free, you can help reduce the plastic pollution in our environment. There is a movement known as zero waste. This is an industry term, but can be incorporated into our everyday lives. Zero waste is all about how to reduce your waste in a way that can benefit the future of our planet. It is not possible to live 100% zero waste, but there are ways to help the planet and live a more low-waste lifestyle. The reason why it is not possible to live a zero-waste lifestyle is because you would have to be producing everything that you use, such as food, products, clothes, etc. By cutting down on your use of plastic and styrofoam, then you are making a drastic impact. Even little changes can have a huge impact. It has been estimated that each person produces about 4.4 pounds of trash per day. This trash includes things that could be reused, recycled, composted, and everything else that's in between. Some things are easier to cut out than others. Transitioning to a low-waste lifestyle takes plenty of time, but will benefit our planet in the long run. Plastic has an incredible lifespan. It can remain on this planet for hundreds of years, meaning that the plastic that has ever been produced is still on this planet today. Plastic can break down into microplastics that are small pieces of plastic that are about 1/2 centimeter or smaller. We are seeing the planet become warmer, and some of it has to do with pollution. Trash in a landfill can produce tons of methane. Methane is a very harmful greenhouse gas that traps heat, so even a small amount of methane that is released into our environment can have a large impact on our warming planet. About 60% of methane that is released into our atmosphere is caused from human sources, while the other 40% comes from sources that existed before humans. By reducing your waste that is being sent to the landfill, you can help reduce the amount of greenhouse gases that are released. According to the EPA, recycling and composting prevented about 87.2 million tons of material from the landfill in 2013. Transitioning to a low-waste lifestyle can be a bit pricey at the beginning. If you do not already have a reusable bag, cutlery, or cups, or etc., then you will have to purchase, which can be a bit pricey. But in the long term, this lifestyle will pay off and save you money. In an interview with CNN, Lauren Singer states that people assume you're talking about upper-class white people that have the money to buy organic products. It is a really funny comparison. Living a zero-waste lifestyle has afforded me a lot of things, says Lauren Singer. This lifestyle is adaptable for everyone. While transitioning, I noticed that there was a large learning curve with this lifestyle. I think this lifestyle is meant for everyone. In the same interview with CNN, Lauren says that she has prevented thousands of pounds of trash from going into the landfill. She says that one person can make a difference, you just have to have the desire to do so. Living a zero-waste lifestyle is not something that states exactly what you have to do, but it's more about whatever you want to make it out to be. Sustainability has so many different spectrums that living a low-waste lifestyle means something different to everyone, and everyone can be a part of this movement. The overarching goal of this lifestyle is to simply reduce waste that is being sent to the landfill. I have spoken to people with opposing viewpoints, but with the correct information, people will try to do their part to help the planet. The community simply need to become more educated on sustainability so they will be more motivated about what they can do to help. The planet is the only place that we have to live, so society should care enough to take care of it. There has been a big push towards living within our resources, and I believe everyone should switch to a low-waste lifestyle to help save the planet. The challenges of transitioning to a zero-waste or low-waste lifestyle would be the learning curve and feeling a bit of discouragement here and then. It takes time and practice to learn how to say no to plastic and to remember your own cups, bags, and cutlery. If you choose to make your own products, there is a learning curve with that as well, in which you would have to experiment with different ingredients to find what works best for you. You can feel discouraged at some points because you may feel the problem is greater than you, but one person can make such a difference. This whole process can be difficult because you have to be on top of things and remember to bring your own reusable resources. Once this lifestyle is adapted, though, you will find it very simple. A method I see implementing change is through the use of social media. Social media is a great way to be an activist and get your word out no matter how many people follow you. Lauren Singer is the owner of the Package Free Shop in New York City. She has done many interviews with large companies to get the word out about living zero waste. She was recently on the Today Show, which is amazing because this show has a lot of people that watch it, which may spark interest in others to learn more about a lower waste lifestyle. By just getting the word out about sustainability, then people will become more educated and inspired to be a change in their own life. Some action points I have highlighted that are easily attainable are to bring your own reusable straws, cutlery, bags, and napkins wherever you go. Keep these items in your bags, cars, or anywhere that you'll be able to remember them. To save energy, unplug things when you're not using them, such as lights and chargers. So, it's a simple task, so when you're getting up in the morning, just unplug your charger when you're done charging your phone. Another tip is to use jars and produce bags when shopping at the grocery store. I find this helps make grocery shopping more fun, and you are also helping the planet at the same time. Another tip is to save water. When you're brushing your teeth or scrubbing the dishes, turn off the water to conserve the water. Check out the Package Free Shop in New York City and Terra Market that just opened in Minneapolis. These shops both have websites and are great resources for your sustainable needs. They shop completely plastic free and they use all paper products when shipping. So I encourage each one of you to be influencers in others' lives and to be a role model and try to save the planet. Become educated on a lower waste lifestyle and try to do your part in this movement. Thank you.